What's going on, YouTube world? Figured everybody else is doing it, so I might as well do it too. Gonna start this channel up for Ali and Wally. Ali, let me just fill you guys in real quick. Ali, okay? And don't ask me where I got the names. Ali. Oh, hold on, let me just open the blinds. That'll be smart. That'll be smart. Okay, can you see that? That's Ali right there, the white guy. And that's Wally right next to him. Yeah, you guys can't see him that well, but them two is who this YouTube channel is dedicated to. So, something that just came in. I just got a leveling kit for Ali. I just got a set of Rough Country shocks for Ali. So I'm going to create some videos and put those up and basically show you guys how I do it, because working on Ram 1500s, I've seen many videos of people doing things many different ways. So I guess I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my thing on my truck, and hopefully it helps. And if it doesn't, my bad. I'm just trying. All right, so catch y'all in a few. All right, so yesterday I did the other side. I installed the 3-inch leveling kit on the driver's side. I didn't get a chance to film it, so I got the passenger side waiting for us today. So without further ado, let's get jiggy. I already pre-loosened these bolts to a certain extent. Looking good. The car that just drove by sounded like pure So along with the 3-inch leveling kit, I got a pair of Rough Country shocks for the front end. So I'm gonna be putting that in as well. While we got everything pulled down. Gonna put that there for now to get that out the way. this out the way. Now we got some room to work. Just recently replaced the hub bearings. I couldn't find the connector for this side, so I just kind of stuck it up in here. Been on here since came off the assembly line. As opposed to sitting here fighting all day. All right, so guys, as you can see, the battery died while I was recording, but if you just stop and look at it, to me it's a little bit uneven. Looks like the driver's side is a little bit higher, but I don't know if that can be straightened out once I go get the alignment done and everything like that. But let's see if that is just a setup. Country shocks. Somewhere in there. But how it drives, how it feels, how it handles on corners now. Couple things I gotta do. I'm gonna change out those step rails. See if I can put the automatic ones or even some from a Mega Cab to where it can extend all the way to the bed, so I would even have a step for the bed. But it'll get better with time. Give it some time. But before I go, just wanted you guys to see this up close. That bad girl right there. That bad girl right there. Oh yeah. So much more to come for her. Stay tuned. Catch y'all in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know your ideas too. I got a little color scheme for that. But I would love to hear your ideas as well. Thanks. See you in the next one.